Welcome back to Crypto Market Updates. In this video, I'm going to go over crypto dividends or crypto tokens that provide crypto dividends. If you recall, a little while ago, I posted a video asking ChatGPT about the best ways to make profits in crypto, make some money with crypto, and ChatGPT spat out these 12. And I asked you guys, the audience, to let me know which ones you wanted to hear a bit more about. But unfortunately, there were no comments below other than somebody complaining that it wasn't very well organized. So I decided to make a video today about dividend tokens. So I did some digging and I found some articles on dividend tokens. So first of all, what types of dividend tokens are out there? There are different types. What types of tokens are out there? Due to the cryptocurrency boom, the term token coin, initial coin offering has many different forms, shapes, and sizes. First of all, the difference between coin and token is a coin has its own blockchain. A token is a token that runs on top of another coin's blockchain, like on top of Ethereum, for example. If you are unclear about that, I have a video explaining the difference between coins and tokens on the channel, but I mean, I just summarized it in a nutshell. You could still feel free to go over and look at that video. Also, make sure to smash up the likes and subscribe to this video. I mean, smash up the likes on this video and subscribe to the channel. Okie dokie. So we got currency tokens. So these are things like Bitcoin. As the name suggests, these tokens are used as a form of payment and store of value. Utility tokens are things that are used for different things. The advent of Ethereum created what became known as utility tokens. Unlike currency tokens, this type of token gives holders access to products or services with particular platform or network. The last utility token that I was invested in was CV, Car Vertical. I don't know what happened to it. It disappeared. CV is still available, but it doesn't look like it is a cryptocurrency any longer. I contacted the team, but I haven't heard back from them since. So that may be a bit of a lost investment. IPOs, not the best, depending on what you're doing. So you got to know what you're doing. Securities tokens. In addition to allowing holders to purchase goods and services, securities tokens often promise investment returns and value appreciation. Securities tokens is what the SEC has claimed FTX and every other token to be just recently. Asset tokens serve as a digital representation of an asset in an organization or platform. Equity tokens, more of a theoretical than practical concept right now. And then reward tokens, most commonly, those are the blockchain equivalent of royalty points or other reward programs. Then there are dividend tokens. What are they? So what are dividend tokens? Those that offer a share of the profit of the issuing organization. With the exception of currency tokens, most other tokens represent an investment contract in a joint establishment promising potential for a passive income. Such income may come in different shapes and forms. Examples include profiting from value appreciation, profits from investment in mining operations, and others. Dividend payouts may be regular, for example, weekly or monthly, may be dependent on a certain level of token ownership. Example, large holders receive payments before smaller owners ones, and so on. Basically, what dividend tokens are, they reward users for holding them. And here are some. So there are some exchanges that offer dividend tokens, and there are some projects that have tokens that are that offer dividends as well. So let's go over just a couple of the ones that I found on the internet. KuCoin. KuCoin, for example, offers dividends on its token. The dividend payments to investors are generated by sharing 50% of exchange transaction fees with the token holders. Due to the nature of how the bonus is derived, investors will see higher payouts if the trading volume and users increase, which is almost guaranteed as cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream. So that's kind of cool. You need to hold the KCS, the KuCoin token, and depending on how many tokens you have, you get 50% of exchanges. I'm not exactly sure how that's calculated, but dividend calculator, I guess you can go. Let's have a look here. How much do you want to invest? Let's say we have $1,000. Yeah. Okay, maybe let's say we have 1,000 KuCoins. How much is a KuCoin? Let's see. KCS KuCoin token. $4.37. There you go. $4.37. How is this gonna work? No, I'm not exactly sure how. Okay, never mind. In any case, so when you have KuCoin tokens, you get dividends. So head on over to KuCoin. You can follow. I think I have a ref link below the video somewhere. So check that out and get yourself some KuCoin. The next one is BitMax. BitMax also offers. At present, the APR for investors is between 35 to 50 rate, which for far outshines most of the accounts, and that depends on how much BitMax token you hold as well. The next exchange is Cross.io. I don't have anything on Cross.io. I never used it. So, but similar to KuCoin, Cross shares 50% of its trading fees, and again, it depends on how many Cross tokens you hold. So you would have to register with them, get yourself some Cross, and then you collect dividends. Buybox token, similar idea. Depending on how many tokens you have, you will receive some dividends on that. So this is payout periods, or there are different payout periods. I guess weekly, also weekly. For BitMax, it's daily, and KuCoin also daily. So that's it for the exchanges. These are the 4 exchanges: KuCoin, BitMax, COS, and Buybox. And then there are the actual tokens that can be hosted on any exchanges. The first one is NEO. I think maybe one of the very first ones was NEO, and NEO rewards its holders with gas. NEO was a Chinese Ethereum killer that took to the skies in, I think, 2017-18 sometime, and then plummeted into nothingness, and I don't even know if anybody hears from NEO anymore. But in any case, NEO pays with gas, and you can hold NEO on any exchange. The next one is VeChain. VeChain is another smart contract platform which staking function is similar to NEO. The biggest difference is that the token pays dividends in the form of VTHOR rather than gas. And for the NEO, for every NEO you have, you generate 0.03 gas per day. VeChain you can purchase on KuCoin, and NEO you can also purchase on KuCoin. These are all Chinese. NEO is a Chinese project, VeChain is a Chinese project, KuCoin is a Chinese exchange, so it makes sense for it to be there. PIVX ranks as one of the most prestigious upcoming privacy coins in the market due to its algorithm, which is almost totally anonymous. PIVX staking is rather lucrative. However, its shortfall is that you need to be online 24/7. However, this can be resolved by using cloud stake. Approximately 4.8% per year for staking, and payout is daily if trade mining. And then there's Komodo. Komodo, if you're looking for a token that performs excellent based on proof of work model, Komodo is definitely up there. To receive KMD dividends, you need to have a minimum balance of 10 Komodo staked. Annual return is 5.1% if you hold more than 10 Komodo on a wallet, obviously. 5% on 10 Komodo would be like half a Komodo token. That would be a bit ridiculous. So I don't know how much these tokens are. And then the final one on here on the list is PundiX, which also I think featured the bonus is expected to pay out until the end of 2020. Oh, this is old. So I don't even know if these tokens are still around. PundiX is around. I'm not sure if it still pays out. So these are the tokens. There's another one, best dividend paying altcoins in cryptocurrencies in 2023. If you go to the website Bitcoin Market Journal, it gives you a list here. Look, share, estimated annual dividend 51.1%, which is massive. I don't know how much the tokens are. I never even heard of it. VeChain, KuCoin shares, Neo, Ascend, EX, Niblio, Komodo, PIVX, Navcoin, and Buybox. So these are the exchanges, and so Looks Rare is an NFT market. Looks Rare is an NFT market. That's the new one. Marketplace that encourages traders and collectors to use the platform through a system of hefty rewards. The NFT platform, which was launched at the beginning of 2022, has already offered 1.3 billion in rewards to users. There you go. So this might be a very interesting thing. Let's have a quick look at it. Feeling lucky, win big. So basically, yeah, hop over here. I guess they have the Mutant Ape Yacht and Bored Ape Yacht Club as well. So hop on here and check it out. But yes, these are the ones. And then finally, there are 5 best dividend cryptos that pays dividend in February 2023. These are the 5 that seem to be coming up quite frequently. Is YPredict AI, Invest Smarter with YPredict, Filecoin, OKB, Stellar, and The Graph. Stellar is an offshoot of XRP. There was a disagreement between the founders or something, and the guy who split away from XRP created Stellar. YPredict is a analytics with its state-of-the-art predictive models and top-tier analysts. The platform is shaking up the game and prediction in a big way. So there's plenty of things that you can do to get some dividends, get some extra cash. But of course, all of these things require an initial investment. So keep that in mind before you venture out and start looking for those tokens. You will have to spend some cash to make some cash. That's always the case. In any case, I hope this was helpful, somewhat informative. If it was, then make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.